Hey y'all, today we're making some fried cheese balls. Simple recipe, watch this video. So we're gonna start with, this is 250 grams of shredded mozzarella mixed with a little bit of shredded cheddar. You could use any kind of cheese you want. Today we're using this combination. We have 3 tablespoons of cornstarch that we're gonna sprinkle over the cheese. Then we're gonna toss this cheese around in it. Get everything good and coated. And then we're going to use 1 egg. Crack that guy open. And you're going to want to mix this all together until it forms like a dough. This will take a few minutes once you get that egg worked throughout the dough or throughout the cheese and the cornstarch. And then we're going to roll these into about golf ball sized cheese balls, and we're going to deep fry them today. Okay, so this is what it should look like after you have everything combined. We're going to go ahead and make up our balls. You're going to probably get about 6 to 8 of these cheese balls out of this, depending on what size you make them. But you just want to, roll them up just like this. You kind of want them to be bite-sized. That way, if you make these up for game day or something, they're going to make like nice little snacks for your guest. So just, again, try to keep them all the same size. These are going to cook until they're golden brown. They're actually going to look like they've been breaded, but they're not. So we're just going to go ahead and finish rolling these out, and then we'll show you the next step when we deep fry them. So we ended up getting, 9 of them out of there. If you wanted to make them a little bigger, you'd probably only get 7, maybe 8, but those are perfect size, bite size. We're going to get our oil heated up to 375. We're going to show you how to fry these things. Okay, so we have our grease heated up to 375. We're going to go ahead and set our cheese balls in here. We're going to do like, I don't know, 5 or 6 of these at a time. Get one more in there. I'm going to drop these guys down. We're going to cook them until they're golden brown. It's going to probably take 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, it's been about 2.5 minutes. We're going to pull these things up, let some of that grease drain off, and we're going to show you how we season these guys. Okay, we're going to go right into this bowl with these. Pour them guys out. We're going to hit them with some of Malcom's Italian Stallion. Some of that Heath Rowell's Parmesan garlic. Just give them a little toss in this bowl. I'm going to take them over here and plate them up. We're going to try these guys out as soon as they cool just a little bit. Okay, these cheese balls have cooled a little bit, but we can't take it anymore. We're going to go ahead and bust this guy apart. See, you can hear how crunchy that is. Look at that cheese. Oh yeah. We're going to dip it in a little bit of this marinara we made up. These things are unbelievably tasty, super simple. Make sure you give this a try. This might be a damn good Super Bowl recipe right here. I'm thinking, put these out for your guests. Get you some of that. So you gotta try one of these.